Good morning. Sorry, I was in the lecture. I just got over a minute ago, huh? Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, Shami. I'll just write the good morning. I will just write the sums. Anybody else is joining or only these many? When are you starting the functions? Kshitij, you know how I'm running. After functions, we did determinant matrices. After that, we did probability. I think when today's exams are over, we will do little more of probability, so it will be completed properly and nicely. Then I will go by. You have an exam and you have functions for that, then I will rush to functions next time. Kshitij? If you have college exam, then I will rush to functions. If you don't have college exams, then since we have started with probability, I will complete probability, and then first thing what I'll do is I'll go back to functions, because determinants matrices you know pretty well, except थोड़े property वाले sums है determinants के उतने करेंगे, but they are little difficult. Yes, thanks. What is the probability? Second one is blue. Check your answer, beta. It has got 7 balls. It's without replacement. So first ball is red. If the first ball drawn is red and the second one is blue, means you want the probability of first is red and is intersection. Second is blue. A stands for red and B stands for blue. So what is the probability of A intersection B? It will be probability of B by A. You want actually the probability of B when A has already occurred. So probability of a blue marble when the first one was already red. So into probability of A. Yes. So probability of A to simple hai. The first one is red. Yes, 2 by 7 is perfect. So probability of A, that is first ball is red, is 3 out of 7. Yes, Tuhin. Red is fixed, true. मतलब वो red पहला आया. उसके बाद, see, you have to multiply the probability. You want first is red and second is blue. So it is probability of first is red into probability of second is blue when first was red. रेड क्यों 2 रहेंगे? पर मुझे रेड से कोई लेना देना ही नहीं है. रेड इज टेकन, यस. so, लेकिन मुझे प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ब्लू चाहिए. Correct. So denominator will be 6, not 7. But char blue will be intact, no? Absolutely correct, Rutuja. See, there'll be 6 balls, but out of 4 blue, 4 marbles, there'll be 6 marbles in all. So ये हो गया 2/3. ये 3 cancels. Shriya, I will tell you why. See, this probability is all words game. See, you want, bag. I will just draw it. You have just take up a picture of this so that, anyway, wait. ये है मेरा, सुनो. Without replacement, ना? Yes, yes, I will. देखो, ये है marble, ये है मेरा bag. इसमें 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ये देखो. कितने हैं? 4 मार्बल है. 4 मार्बल्स है ब्लू एंड 3 मार्बल्स है रेड. तो बैग बोलता है मेरे पास 7 मार्बल्स है. तो अभी मुझे पूछा है कि फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी व्हेन सेकंड इज ब्लू, व्हेन मींस एंड first is already red. So I want the probability of second is blue and first is red. So इसका मतलब क्या होगा कि पहले तो मुझे probability of first is red निकालना होगा into probability of second is blue when first was red. ये डिपेंडेंट है. मैंने ब्लू निकाला तो आंसर अलग रहेगा, मैंने रेड निकाला तो आंसर अलग रहेगा. करेक्ट. सो ये है कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी. द टू इवन डिपेंडेंट, दे आर इंटरडिपेंडेंट, राइट. Second is blue and first is red. So what is the probability of first red? मेरे पास 3 रेड है out of 7. So first one is red का probability 3/7 and is into. Correct. And अभी मेरा एक मार्बल गया, ये देखो ये गया and इसमें से एक गया. तो अभी मेरे बैग में only 6 marbles are there, but चारों 4 blue are intact. So probability of second is blue in a bag is 4 blue है out of not 7 out of 6 marbles. They are dependent. अगर मैं पहले blue निकालती तो बात अलग थी. अगर मेरा first blue होता तो क्या आंसर आता था? First is blue and second is blue. बोलो. This is not asked. Sorry. Not asked, but I am asking you. Both blue का आंसर क्या आता था? बोलो. Shreya, you only tell me because you are asking me conditional. Both are blue. How you would have done? अच्छा आंसर टिल. You are right. First is blue का पहला is blue and दूसरा also blue. See to him. It is given that first one is, see 2 marbles are drawn without replacement. मतलब you have to draw 2 marbles are drawn जिसमें पहले रेड है. मतलब पहले रेड आने का चांस क्या है? रेड निकाल के बाहर रखा है, इसका मतलब है was it sure that you would get only red marble? So it depends on what is the probability of first is red and second is blue. Tuhin, are you getting what I'm saying? First is ये देखो, second is, first is red का भी probability and is into, second is blue when first was red. Yes, it's a probability of two conditions together. But two marbles are not removed at the same time. One by one without replacement. मतलब पहला मार्बल निकाला, साइड में रखा, फिर दूसरा मार्बल निकाला. Is that clear? Both blue का Tuhin? Did you understand or no? Yeah, understood. Now, okay. Shreya, how about you? Because you were asking. Now clear? Okay. All right. That's the reason, I was taking more sums on ये थोड़ा conditional probability है ना. This is a new part because वो dice वाले and all, even permutation combination, selection वाले. Because you have done permutation combination, I think we can do those problems next time. Correct? After your exams. So now I want you to score full marks. Abhi ye exam mein. Then I will continue probability. We will do all kinds of sums. Both blue, yes, Rutuja. I have written 4 by 7 into 3 by 6. So here this calculation we can easily do. 2 by 7 is the answer. Now you do this, huh? क्या हो गया? A speaks the truth 80% of the times. B speaks the truth. Though I am not writing. Zoom in हो गया ना, वही तो. ठीक है अभी? The truth and all I'm not writing, so that 60% of the times. A speaks the truth 80% of the times. So probability of A speaking the truth is 80 upon 100. And probability of B speaking the truth is 60. I'm sorry, you do it. Find the probability when they contradict each other. Now, who will tell me in one simple word what kinds of event are these? Who's it? You mean, I understood, Rutuja, that you are thinking ki required probability mein the opposite. I am talking about A and B. A and B. A and B. What kinds of event? Yes, absolutely correct. A क्या बोलता है उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है B को separately when they're talking. 80% of the times A is speaking the truth. 60% of the time B is speaking the truth, but they are independent events. What do you mean by contradicting? मतलब what you rightly said, Rutuja, opposite. मतलब A झूठ बोलता है, A सच बोलता है, B झूठ बोलता है, और A झूठ बोलता है, B सच बोलता है. Yes, absolutely correct. (11 upon 25 is absolutely correct answer. So it is 80 upon 100. Obviously, this is going to be 40 upon 100. Plus, ये हो गया 20 upon 100 into 60 upon 100. 11 upon 25. Perfect. ये तो simplest form में लिखो. This I did for explanation purposes. What I wanted to show you. A speaks the truth, B doesn't. Or is plus and is into. इतना simple याद रखो. Because you are solving MCQs. कुछ लिखना नहीं है इसमें. So language is समझो. And is into or is plus. Correct? Done? Can I give you the next problem now? We'll just do 2-3 problem. इसमें से आएगा देखो. अगर they have taken independent events ना, then यही problems आते हैं exam. See, probability that X solves the problem. I'm not writing the articles now. Is 2/5, and probability Y solves the problem is 1/4. So first is find the probability when problem is not solved. मतलब तुम language सीखो ये. X cannot solve and Y cannot solve. X cannot solve and Y cannot solve. So it is first they are independent events, right? Perfect, very good. So X dash will be 3/5. इसका complementary event होगा ये. Correct? P of X dash will be 3/5. लिखना जरूरी है. And probability of Y dash, this is 3/4. So first answer is 9/20. So second बिना पूछे I am निकालेंगे. Find probability that problem is solved. Problem is solved पूछा ना, तो not solved निकाल के उसका complementary निकाला. ऐसे. Right? Yes. And both solve कैसे करोगे? It is P of X into P of Y. Correct? So it is 2/5 into 1/4. All of you are getting Prathamesh? Your answer is right. 2/20. Oh, is that for the third only, na? मैंने 11/20 लिखा है ना, because I am writing, yeah, I have written 11. And only one of them solves. अभी तुम लोग मास्टर हो गए ये टाइप के प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? Only one of them solve. मतलब A solves, first one solves, second cannot solve. First solves and second doesn't solve, or first cannot solve into second can solve. Correct? Substitute karo. P of X is 2/5 na? Into 3/4 plus he cannot solve. Nine by 20, perfect. Got it? Everybody followed? Okay. Now, today, problem 5. Man is 45 years old and his wife is 40 years old. probability that man is alive at 70 years is 5 by 12, and woman alive, I'm writing in short, at 65 is 3 by 8. Now you try this, huh? What is the probability? Couple will be alive. Couple alive. Matlab man also alive and woman also alive. Correct? I'm not doing calculations now. Is that okay? Couple is alive. ये answer आएगा. Exactly one is alive. Man is alive and woman not alive, plus man is dead into woman is alive. Matlab man alive and woman dead, or man dead and into his hand woman alive. That is exactly one of them. Do you follow what I'm writing? Yes. Achha, Rutuja, are you not able to hear me? Rutuja? You can? Oh, it was before. Oh, now audible. Okay. But you got the problem? See, a man today is 45 years old, wife is 40 years old, and when they become 70, the probability that they being alive are 5 by 12 and 3 by 8 1 by 4 respectively. Not 1 by 4, sorry, 3 by 8 respectively. So what is the probability after 25 years? After 25 years means the man becomes 70, woman becomes 65. Couple alive, matlab man alive. See, language सीखो probability का. Man is alive and woman is alive. And is into. Correct? Exactly one of them I have written it. Man alive and woman dead, or man dead and woman alive. अभी तुम लोगों को आएगा. Both dead. None of them is alive. I am writing in short. Both dead means man is dead and woman is dead. That is 7 by 12 and is into 5 by 8. Getting? So ये मेरा आंसर आता है 35 by 96. Now why I calculated this? Because if they ask you, find at least one of them is alive. तो क्या करने का? बोथ डेड का प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालने का, वो 1 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. 1 minus 35 by 96. Okay? Yeah, 61 by 96. Perfect. Correct? So I think now you'll be able to tackle this kind of problems even if it is asked. We just do one problem. This तो हम लोगों ने खत्म किया. This was my problem number 4. You do it. There is a bag contains 3 red and 5 white balls. That is, you have 8 balls. Last case, Rutuja, find at least one of them is alive. One of them alive का मतलब क्या होगा? Both alive plus A alive, B dead and B or B alive, A dead. इतना सब add करने से both dead you have to find and find its complement. Okay, you have to find the complement. Yes, 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 yes. 1 minus both dead will be both alive. कैसे? Rutuja, both dead, matlab, if you subtract both dead, one of them could be alive also, no? हाँ, yes, but इतना सारा conditions करने से अच्छा है, both dead निकालो, उसका complement निकालो. Yes, all will add up to 1, yes. You have 3 red and 5, 2 balls are drawn without replacement. Now you give me the answer, huh? Find the probability that both are white. Oh, I did that thing. Yes, all add up to 1 बराबर है. Yes. First white is 5 by 8 and second white is 4 by 7. आया सबको? Superb. Tuhin, absolutely correct. 5 by 14 is the answer. See whether everybody got this. First is white. See how I write. First is white and second is white. So it is, I want first white and second is white. Conditional probability. These problems, no, they are easier to solve in MCQs. Writing में बहुत लिखना पड़ता है. एक tricky problem देती हूँ अभी, and then I will go to Bayes theorem. A family has 2 children. Understood, na? Very good. A family has 2 children. What's the probability that both are girls? Both are girls. Given that फोर बाय सेवन कैसे? बिकॉज एक व्हाइट बॉल कम हो गया और एक बॉल कम हो गया. तो व्हेन आई रिमूव द सेकेंड बॉल ना, सी मेरे पास बैग है, आप खुद ही सोचो, बैग में 8 बॉल डालो, 5 रेड एंड 3 रेड एंड 5 व्हाइट. तो पहले व्हाइट बॉल को पूछो, पहला बॉल व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ यू कमिंग आउट? तो वो बोलेगा 5 आउट ऑफ 8. अभी वो बॉल आपने बाहर रखा है, अभी फिर से बैग के अंदर झाको. There are only 4 balls and 7 white balls. 4 white balls and 7 balls. Got it, Shruti? So the second ball is white when first was already white would be 4 out of 7. Yeah, okay. Find the probability that both are girls given that at least one of them is a girl. सैंपल स्पेस क्या है? 2 बच्चे हैं, बॉय बॉय, पहला बॉय दूसरी गर्ल, पहली गर्ल दूसरा बॉय और बोथ गर्ल्स. यस, तो ये आ गया मेरा सैंपल स्पेस. So if I say let A be the event, but there is at least one girl. So B cancel होगा. तो A आएगा, BG, GB and GG. तो मेरा N of A आएगा 3. 1/3 is absolutely the right answer. If I say B be the event when second child is a girl. Second child is a girl. What will be B intersection A bolo? First is, second is a girl and first is a girl. That is GG. So it's only one. See, only ye hoga. So N of B intersection A is going to be only one. And N of A is 3. That N of A is 3. So our required probability is second is a girl when at least one of them is a girl. Is N of B intersection A upon N of A. Correct? So it's 1/3. 1/3 is the right answer. Now, Bayes theorem, there's a lot of theory to be taught, but I'm just, I will just take 2 sums today so that Bayes theorem का sum आया ना, तो तुम लोगों को छोड़ना नहीं पड़े. Now, if अपना S अगर sample space है, if S is a sample space, and if you have E1, E2, E3 up to En, all these events are mutually exclusive. E1, E2, En, all are, sorry, 2 cases of 3 and second child is a girl. So why not 2/3? Nahi beta, why not 2/3 is Rutuja. See, second child is a girl when first is already a girl. At least one of them is a girl. Mutually, okay. Mutually exclusive. I'll tell you what is mutually exclusive. मतलब with respect to one another and exhaustive. इसका मतलब समझाते. अभी ना students get confused between independent event and mutually exclusive events. So let me make that concept clear. मेरा 1 मिनट गया तो भी चलेगा. Independent events means if I give you a problem to solve, Rutuja solves the problem, Shriya solves the problem. So they are solving the problems independently. So they are independent events. But say if I throw a die and you get an odd number over it, so it will be 1, 3, 5, and even number hai 2, 4, 6. So what do you say about this event and this event? Unka intersection is null. Your intersection is null. उसमें कुछ भी common नहीं है. Nothing in common. So they are mutually exclusive events. Disjoint sets, if you draw, they are disjoint sets, correct? Yes, Rutuja. Are you getting it? But, and what do you mean by mutually? So ये हो गए मेरे mutually exclusive events. And you will ask me, what is mutually exhaustive events? अगर मैं और एंड इवन दोनों ऐड करूं तो डोंट यू थिंक ये मेरा डाई का सैंपल स्पेस बन गया? 1 2 3 4 5 6 करेक्ट? डोंट यू थिंक इट इज माय सैंपल स्पेस? मतलब अगर उनका यूनियन इज अ सैंपल स्पेस, then they are mutually exhaustive, and if their intersection is a null set, then they are mutually exclusive. Are you clear? Everybody understood how they are different from independent events? All of you? Okay. So, just what you have to remember is they are even E2, E3, they are mutually exclusive events. मतलब मैं सच बोलूं कि मैंने तुम लोगों को एक केक दिया, हाँ, बड़ा केक लाए हम लोग, या आई विल, हाँ, टू इन 1 मिनट. मैंने एक केक दिया तुम्हें, और मैंने 6 पार्ट्स किए. तो वो जो 6 पार्ट्स रहेंगे, सो यू कंसिडर योर एंटायर केक एज सैंपल स्पेस, और ईच टुकड़ा करेक्ट. All sentences are broken, Shreya. Oh, I can't hear you. I'm so sorry. What can I do? What can be done? Internet. Can you hear me now? हाँ. So let me explain पहले. तो अच्छा, तो हिंदी देखो, हाँ, ये देखो, I will show you. ये मेरा केक है, मतलब ये तुम्हारे हाथ में है जो तुम्हारा सैंपल स्पेस है, हाँ. अगर ये केक के मैं 5 टुकड़े करूं, छोटे बड़े कैसे भी, तो ये 5 टुकड़े अलग 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 मैं निकाल के रखू, हाँ, ऐसे ऐसे, तो इन 5 टुकड़ों में कुछ कॉमन है क्या, बोलो? नाउ यू आर क्लियर. वेरी गुड श्रावणी. ये 5 टुकड़ों में कुछ कॉमन है क्या? Is there anything common in these five pieces? No. So such pieces are mutually exclusive events. Okay? Are you clear about? मतलब एक ही सैंपल स्पेस पे ऐसे टुकड़े करो जिसमें कुछ कॉमन नहीं हो. So they are mutually exclusive events. अभी अगर ये 5 टुकड़े अगर मैं जोड़ू तो क्या हो गया ये? What is this? ये मैंने 5 टुकड़े जोड़े, तो ये क्या हो गया? मेरा केक ही फॉर्म हो गया, तो मेरा सैंपल स्पेस हो गया. मतलब ये अगर मैं 5 में से 4 टुकड़े ले लूं तो सैंपल स्पेस नहीं होगा. पांचों 5 जोड़ू, then they all form a sample space. So such events are mutually exhaustive events. मतलब उनका सारा यूनियन लेंगे तो सैंपल स्पेस बनता है. म्यूचुअली एग्जॉस्टिव में सैंपल स्पेस बनता है उनका यूनियन लेके. तुहिन, आर यू क्लियर नाउ? तुहिन? Okay. Did you understand mutually exclusive and mutually exhaustive both? म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव में उन 5 टुकड़ों में कॉमन नहीं है. जैसे मैंने ये ऑड एंड अंडरस्टूड बोथ ना, वेरी गुड. हाउ अबाउट अदर्स हु हैड आस्क्ड मी? जैसे ये ऑड एंड इवन है ना, अगर मैं ये देखो, ये इवेंट एंड ये इवेंट है, ये दोनों इवेंट म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव है बिकॉज ये दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ द टू सेट्स इज अ नल सेट एंड ये दोनों को मैं जोड़ू तो होता है मेरा सैंपल स्पेस. तो ये सैंपल स्पेस है, इसका मतलब है दे आर म्यूचुअली एग्जॉस्टिव ऑल्सो. सो बेस थियरम के लिए जितने भी इवेंट्स है दे हैव टू बी म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव एंड एग्जॉस्टिव बोथ. ओके, भी मैं फटाक से एक सम लेती तो उनको समझेगा नहीं तो. I will just explain this in with some only example on Bayesian. Huh? Both are opposite cases. Yes, opposite तो नहीं बोल सकते but both are अलग. They are basically parts of sample space. अलग अलग रखो तो कुछ कॉमन नहीं तो दे हो वो हो गए म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव. साथ में जोड़ो तो दे विल फॉर्म म्यूचुअल. Are you able to hear me now? Are you able to hear me? क्या हो गया ये? I'm audible now. Am I audible now? Okay. ठीक है. So there are two. Hello. Screen is frozen. My screen is frozen. 1 minute. You are able to hear me, but I am not able to move the screen. 1 minute, please. Okay. Restart कराना. Okay. Restart करते. I will restart. Just a minute. Let me just do. You are able to hear me, na, clearly. The app is hanged. Yes, you are right. Are you able to hear me now? Okay. Great. It's audible perfectly now. So I will just take two sums because you have your exam answer. See, there are two boxes given. It's not moving. My screen is चलो क्या करो? Everything, I think I will restart. Okay, try another app. 1 minute. Huh? Okay, I will just dictate. चलो मैं जितना जगह है ना उसमें लिख देती हूँ. Two boxes are given. One of them, see, one ball is drawn from one of the boxes. One ball drawn from one of the boxes. Matlab, it can be from the box 1 or it can be from the second box and found to be pink. Find the probability when it is from the first box. From first box. It is from the first box, huh? This is, we have to find. So I write, let E1 be the event when first box is chosen. E2 be the event when second box is chosen. So ये दोनों में कुछ common नहीं है. What is SI? SI नहीं है. One ball is drawn from one of the boxes. One ball is drawn from one of the boxes and found to be pink. नहीं cross part नहीं है because ना I drew the third box which is not there only. हाँ? मैंने वहाँ problem लिखा कि there are two boxes given. Thanks. Two boxes given जिसमें मैंने balls कितने लिखे? 2 blue, 3 pink, 4 blue, 5 pink. So what I was trying to tell, so तुम्हारी possibility क्या होती है? Ball will come either from the first box or from the second box. So probability of E1 will be half and that same will be probability of E2. So probability of selecting the box हो गया मेरा. Correct? Now, my required probability, I want to पहले ना तुम लोग क्या निकालना है समझो. To find probability that it comes from the first box. I will not write that pink ball up because what is asked to me, find the probability that it comes from the first box when the ball drawn is pink. This is what I am asked to find. Correct? So now just tell me what is the probability of pink from the first box and pink from the second box. Bolo. What is the probability of pink from the first box? It is going to be 3 by 5. Super. And second box is 5 hai pink out of 9. So this is 5 out of 9. So for pink from the first is 3 by 5. Pink from the second is 5 by 9. Pehla box 1 by 2. Second box 1 by 2. So I don't want the probability of the pink box. I want a pink ball. I want the probability that the ball drawn is from the first box when it is pink. So I want to find probability of E1 by P1. So ऊपर सी बेस थ्योरम क्या है, उसका फॉर्मूला क्या है, मैं बाद में दूं. पहले तुम लोगों को समझाती हूँ आंसर कैसे निकालना है. तो इसका आंसर है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ पिंक बॉल from the first box. Probability of pink ball from the first box upon probability of pink from the first or pink from the second. इतना सिंपल है आंसर निकालना, समझा? It is probability of first box से, see, it is first box से pink upon which are the two possibilities? First box का pink और second box का pink. So ये कैलकुलेशन करके आई थिंक इट कम्स 20 से लास्ट ईयर मैंने किया था 27/52. Now tell me where half came from. अच्छा तुहिन देखो दो बॉक्सेस रखे हैं, हाँ तो अगर दो बॉक्सेस रखे हैं तो हर एक पहले तुम लोग बॉक्स सिलेक्ट करोगे ना, उसके बाद आया पिंक बॉल, तो व्हाट इज द चांस दैट फर्स्ट बॉक्स विल कम? 1/2. It is a probability of the first box into probability of the pink ball of the first box. So probability of, oh you got it, very good, very good. अगर तीन बॉक्सेस होते तो probability of getting selected each box would be 1/3 and not 1/2. There is one screeching sound behind you. It's absolute silence in my house, beta. No fan, no AC. I switched off the AC also because sometimes you know उसका जो blow है उसका भी आवाज आता है. Mic issue, yes, that is possible. और एक दे दो. Second ball का क्या आता था? Find the probability second में. Second box से लेना अगर है अपने को, second box है. So probability of a second box when ball drawn is pink. So probability of second box is again half into उसका है I think 4/9 ना, 5/9. Upon denominator तो यही सेम रहता. हाँ, birds are there outside, yeah. I know. Too many birds and too many plants and too many trees. Yes. Yes. 25/52. समझा? अभी ये देखो ये दोनों कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट्स आए कि नहीं? इसका आंसर प्लस इसका आंसर 1 आएगा देख. Because pink ball can come either from the first box or from the second box. Abhi I'll give you a problem and then odd and against type. Rutuja, can you repeat when the cases are not equal? I'm doing that sum only just now. In a hostel, from other town, there are 75% of the women. It is a women hostel. 70 other town से 75% है, same town से 25% है. Then those who are graduates, na, graduate women है, other town से 83% and same town से है 48%. Okay, ऐसा दिया है. Now you have to find the probability Yeah, I'm giving, let me complete the problem. Huh? Find the probability that woman selected is a graduate from same town. Graduate from same town. Now, अगर आप बोलोगे E1 is from same town and is from other town. अभी यहाँ देखो equal नहीं है. Probability of woman getting a woman from the same town is only 25%. And other town से आई हुई 75%. यहाँ इक्वल नहीं है, समझा? सो ये है 1/4, ये है 3/4. एवरीबडी क्लियर? करेक्ट? Either they will be from the same town or other town, but उनका chances same नहीं है इधर. तो here it is not half. It's 1/4 and 3/4. So E1 and E2 कैसे है? Mutually exclusive है, उन दोनों में कुछ common नहीं है. And exhaustive also. क्यों? Because दोनों मिलोगे तो hostel बन गया, sample space बन गया. Now, if I say G be the event when a woman is graduate, so what is the probability of a graduate woman from the same town? It's only 48/100. And what is the probability of a graduate from a different town? It is 83/100. Yes, so I think your answer is right. Correct? So अपने को अभी चाहिए क्या? What is the required probability? Graduate तो है, but I want same town की graduate. This is what is my required probability. Correct? So same town की probability when the girl is a graduate. I don't want the girl is graduate ka probability. I want the girl to be graduate from the same town. Correct? So it will be probability of, इसका बराबर उल्टा आता है, girl from the same town into probability of the town upon summation आएगा ना, probability of girl from the second town. This is what I had done. E1 ये यहाँ कॉपी करना है सेम, और दूसरा इवेंट क्या, इट कैन बी अ ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट टाउन इनटू प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E2 डिफरेंट टाउन. राइट? तो अभी तो मैं सीधा लिख लेती हूँ आंसर. इट इज 48/100 इंटू 1/4 सेम टाउन का अपॉन 48. See, I can let me complete, plus 83/100 into 3/4. You want me to show you the question? I will explain you from the beginning. Huh? See, in a hostel, there are women staying in a hostel. 75% of the women who are staying are from other town, 25% are from the same town. So probability, we are including the girl from the hostel when we want to find the girl is graduated. Yes, because the problem is in the hostel only. See the starting. We want to find, yeah, 16/99 is the right answer. Shreya, which part you are not able to understand? ये दोनों का probability समझा, 1/4, 3/4. They are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Huh? Now, what is the girl? What is the chance? Oh, you didn't understand the question, but the rest you followed. We will do many more sums after your test, college test. The time constraint is also there, no? Because I don't understand the question only. See, I repeat, in a women's hostel, 75% of the women are from the other town, and 25% of the 25% of them will be from the same town. Now, वो एक चीज है. उसके बाद सारे मिक्स किए अभी. हाँ, अभी जो 75% of the other town आ गए, हाँ, वो 75% of the girls जितने भी होंगे उसमें से 48%, sorry, उसमें से 83% are graduates and 17% are not graduate. सेम टाउन के जो 25% लोग वहां वुमेन जो रह रही है उसमें से 48% are graduates, the other 52% are not graduate. So you have to find the probability. अगर उसमें से एक वुमन उठा लो तो वो ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम द सेम टाउन चाहिए. अपने को सेम टाउन की ग्रेजुएट का प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालना है. So I want to find the probability of E1 when she is a graduate by G. Shreya, are you clear about the question? Hello? Yeah? Okay. So now I will just touch odd and against. मैंने तुम्हें नोट दिया था ना, I think last time, odd and against का. Odd in favor of odds. Scroll down. Yeah, up. Are you writing anything, Rishikesh? Oh, required probability. Odds in the ratio of two complementary events, yes. See, odds में क्या होता है ना, it can be in favor of A, in favor of B. इसका मतलब है, when I'm suppose if I give you a simple example, if odds in favor of X solving problem is 4/3. Favor बोला ना, if odds in favor of X solving the problem Means four times he can solve, 3 times he cannot solve. So what is the chance of probability of A occurring below? It will be 4 upon X occurring below. 4 upon 4 plus 3, that is 4 by 7. And not occurring kya hoga? Obviously 3 by 7. Similarly, suppose if they give you, and they give you if odds against y, odd against y of solving problem 2 by 3 hai. So what is the probability of y solving bolo? Anybody? Against है तो denominator लेना है. Against है तो denominator लेना है, right? So yeah, it is 3 by 5. Perfect. And P of y dash is 2 by 5. इतना अगर निकाल के रखा ना, then they can ask you anything. Both can solve. Then only one of them solves, you know. Or they can ask you just probability of favor, मतलब numerator upon addition, and against means denominator upon addition of occurrence, huh? Occurrence. Okay. No. Now just tell me, huh? The last problem, because you need to go through this also, what we are doing. Now you will be able to score full marks. The odds in favor of A winning a game against B, and there is no draw, is 3 by 2. So can anybody tell me that what will be the probability of A winning? क्या आएगा? 3 by 5. Super. Abhi, if 3 games are to be played, what are the odds in favor of A's winning the game at least 2 games out of 3? 3 games hai. So see, probability of A winning hai 3 by 5. So probability of B winning hoga 2 by 5. जब भी A नहीं win होगा तभी B win होगा, right? अभी 3 games है तो तीनों का अपने को लिखना पड़ेगा. So your required probability at least 2 जीतना चाहिए. There are 3 games. So A can win the first, A can win the second, and B can win the third. Or A can win the first, B can win the second, A can win the third, or first game B can win, the other 2 A can win, or तीनों 3 A can win. At least 2 का मतलब 2 or more ना. Yes, so. मतलब यहाँ ये 2 A ने जीते हैं, यहाँ all 3 जीते हैं, यहाँ second, third जीते हैं, यहाँ first and third जीते हैं. So 2 or more than 2. So you have to just substitute the value and get the answer. Understood? All of you are clear? 81 upon 125 is the right answer. because तुम्हारे पास सारे values है and P of B. It is a independent मतलब इसका into ही करना है, correct? But the only thing was different in this was odd against or odds in favor of. That's it. So after you get the probability, it is a very simple problem, right? Chalo, then we'll stop because you need to revise this also. Just go through the solid examples of your textbook also and whatever I have done. Okay, wishing you all the best. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Stay blessed. Have a nice day. Bye.